Moral norms are the foundation upon which society is built, defining human behavior and shaping ideas of right and wrong. But should we always follow them? This question remains open, as morality is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon influenced by culture, time, circumstances, and individual worldview. At first glance, adhering to moral norms seems essential. They ensure order in society, helping to avoid chaos and conflict. Principles such as honesty, respect for others, and rejection of violence foster trustful and healthy relationships. Without moral norms, life would be chaotic and society would be destructive. However, morality is not universal. In different cultures, eras, and even social groups, the understanding of what is moral can vary significantly. What is acceptable in one society might be completely unacceptable in another. For example, in some cultures, strict respect for elders is practiced, even if they act unjustly, while in other societies the protection of individual rights is paramount. Another issue lies in the difference between societal norms and individual ethics. People often face situations where following socially accepted norms contradicts their personal beliefs. For instance, laws or social orders may demand actions that a person finds immoral. Such dilemmas raise the question, should one always obey the rules, even when they conflict with one's conscience? Moreover, moral norms can change over time. What was acceptable in the past may be condemned today. For example, in centuries past, it was normal to discriminate against certain groups based on their race, gender, or religion. However, as society evolved, these norms changed, and now they are viewed as morally unacceptable. In certain cases, morality requires not blind adherence to rules, but the ability to think critically and the courage to resist unjust norms. The fight for women's rights, racial equality, or environmental justice often began with challenging widely accepted rules that were outdated or oppressive. Another crucial aspect is the balance between good and harm. Sometimes one must choose between several options, each with moral consequences. In such situations, a person must act based on the principle of minimizing harm and maximizing good. Therefore, following moral norms is essential for maintaining social order and harmony, but it should not be blind. In many cases, morality demands independent analysis, the ability to think critically, and decisions that align with our values and societal needs. It is a constant balance between personal freedom and responsibility to others. Thank you for watching.